OnePlus has just revealed a brand new tablet, and it seems like the introduction of new devices just keeps on going. Let me go over the specifications of this model for you. We are going to see a unique design, particularly because the camera module resembles that of a smartphone. Honestly, it looks quite appealing. Naturally, we will see very slim bezels around this display, which measures at 13.2 inches, making it fairly large. It features a 7:5 aspect ratio, which is quite unusual in the tablet market. The resolution is 4K, giving us very good level of detail. This will be the most attractive, although it is an IPS LCD panel, so we would not have the contrast and color power that would give us an AMOLED screen, but it comes with 144 Hz in its refresh rate. The processor is the Snapdragon 8 Elite, so it gives us to understand that we are talking about its high-end tablet. On the back, it integrates 13 megapixel camera, and on the front, the camera is 8 megapixel. The battery capacity is 12,140 mAh, which marks a substantial improvement compared to the previous generation. It supports a 67-watt charging capability through the SuperBuck protocol developed by Oppo. Additionally, the port is USB 3.2 Gen 1, designed to provide high transfer speeds. It also includes support for Wi-Fi 7 networks, Bluetooth version 5.4, and NFC technology. Naturally, it is equipped with 8 speakers, which is standard in a high-end tablet. Its thickness is 5.97 mm and weighs 675 g, so it is very slim, and its price announced for China is 3,199 yuan. In the most basic edition, this is more or less about $445. On screen, you have the reference prices in other currencies just to give you an idea, but remember that the prices here are not the same as over there.